New day. I'm with Zendaya and AJ.
What's up? What's up?
We're by the red taxis. Zendaya said she's hungry, and I said, okay, let's go get some food then. This is how you cross the road in Thailand. You press that thing there, which is quite simple. Same thing back in the UK. But the people here just go through red lights, so you have to be careful. So this is the pond I was telling you about the other day, across the road. I thought it was actually a lake. So I don't know where we're going.
We're going to eat, and I don't know where we're going to eat. I follow you.
I don't know either.
So they said we're going to eat, but she goes, I'm just following you. I'm like, I thought you were eating.
Nah, so see all the grassy area down there?
Right, gotta cut through this here. I think that's the king on the board over there.
So what's that ramen then? So ramen.
How's that thumbnail? Right. So this is all new here now. Guys watering the
I
flowers.
thought they had like cabaret shows.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to one?
If you're wondering why I got this on,
That's really good.
Z's about to take us somewhere. She goes it's going to be cold, so I brought a jacket. She's brought her jacket, and she literally just ran across the road. I ain't trying to get killed in Thailand. Right, where am I supposed to cross? Like, look, they're over there, and there's no like crossing anywhere. Well, I can't see any. I figure we just walk over here. Right, there they are over there. I got a red taxi coming towards me. Lots of shops here. Right, on the pavement now, so there's my crew over there. I still need to get some lip balm. Man selling gas or beer in kegs. Right, let me cross over, get to my crew. And look at this, the dog just chilling in the road, literally in the middle of the road. Hey doggy! Hey doggy! Is it boiling in that jacket he's wearing? Okay. Jewelry shop. Security guard outside as well.
Yeah. My culture. Yeah. When you?
Oh, so I've just crossed over. We've got to cross back over again. So apparently this is a good food spot in here. AJ here.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Have you tried it at least?
Say a few Hail Marys before we go in, mate. Yeah, I tried it yesterday.
So here's the menu. Oh, so they got smoothies here. Smoothies, juices. Actually good price as well. I like the style of the place. Right, I don't know if that's copyright music.
That's why I can speak English. I learned my culture by speaking English. You don't even. You just know.
Right, let's get her some food and then we'll get going.
Really sensitive people.
With Z here. Z just keeps smiling at everything. What we ordered, I've ordered some smoothies. What one? What have you ordered?
Hot gapao. Keep beef pork. Keeps beef.
I don't know what that is. Like, if I showed you a picture, it'd be easier. What you ordered?
Got the mango smoothie.
Yeah, same thing. Literally, we're only getting something small to eat because I've had breakfast. He's had breakfast. She's woke up late or done something. I don't know what she's doing. She's missed her breakfast. We waited like 2 hours for her. But yeah, I'll let you know when he gets here. Enjoy the fishy, you guys. We finished. Well, I finished my smoothie. She's had some food. There was loads of copyright music, so I couldn't record in there. Anyway, we're off to some place. What to get? I don't know what she's on about. A railway. What you're at? A railway? What?
I have no idea where
Right
we're
away.
going.
She goes. She
Red
does
wine, red wine.
red wine, red taxi,
wine.
or red whiskey. I don't know what you're on about.
Who's that? No, it's a YouTuber.
So I'm just following her. She knows where to go.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Take it in my life.
The American actress.
Why is the red taxi down here?
Yeah?
Yeah. How much can you?
I know. You asked me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is all new to me. This side of the road.
You always see one pass by.
Yeah, it's not quick.
And maybe walk farther.
She goes further down, walk. That smoothie, I had a
99 baht.
mixed berry smoothie. It's stuck in my teeth now.
99 baht.
Really?
Trying to get it out. There's a restaurant here. In the town cafe. Looks alright.
Oh, that's the yellow. Which one?
So yeah, we were discussing earlier about renting the scooter. Cannabis dispensary. There's just so many of them here. So that's another hostel.
Yeah.
Yellow. What are we doing? We're crossing over? No. What are we looking at?
Oh,
A red taxi led.
Are you stopping him?
Yeah, I will ask him how much.
Oh, she's gonna ask him how much. So let's see what he says. Maybe just sit in the back. Well, there's people in there, but I'll show you quickly. Just a longer taxi. Get a thumbnail. Yellow hostel, yellow fella hostel. So if our one gets full, because me and him, we've only booked 2 days, so if it gets full, we'll have to come here. We don't know what it's like. We should ask them. Guys, you speak English?
Yeah.
What's it like? The beds are this nice.
Pretty good.
The ones we're staying at, they're like so hard.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Yeah. Have you been there? Those?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, it's too hard. I wouldn't recommend staying there.
To be fair, I mean, I would recommend it for like comfort, but it's a good hospital.
Is it? We'll probably just stay a day or two because we've only booked 2 days over there.
Yeah. You can just come down for the evening anyway.
Oh, it's okay like that. That's cool. Alright, thank you. Oh, she's still asking. Now she's asking a tuk-tuk.
300 baht. Second.
Bro, why are you ripping her off? She's a local as well. Alright, yeah, what about that thing you were saying? Going in this, that.
200 ใช่ไหม
Bro, I'm tall, I am.
Right, they were going on.
Yeah, we're just tall guys. She's little in here.
Oh my gosh.
Here's a view.
มาเที่ยวเหรอครับ
ใช่ค่ะ
อยู่ที่ไหนอ่ะ
กรุงเทพค่ะ
This is my first tuk-tuk led.
เพื่อนชาย
Yeah,
อะไร
me
อ่ะ
too.
Been on one yet?
I see there's
I'm
loads of
keen
them
to
in India as
Australia.
well.
Oh yeah, true.
อยู่แถวไหนออสเตรเลีย
อะไรนะคะ
Right guys, I'm gonna cut it here because I don't know if you can hear me and I feel like I'm gonna fall out of this.
Yeah, I'll be like
He lived in Australia 5 years.
Australia for 5 years.
He lived there.
To the wherever we are, wherever she's taking us. She's just gonna pay the guy now.
I don't know where to put the money from.
How much you need? Anyway, she just said, "Come, I'll show you this quickly." I don't know what you're screaming about, but yeah, I thought that Buddha was real. So there's the mountain. We're going on the trek. Got our waters. Sawadika. Oh Lord. I'll find a bathroom here somewhere. Right. Just went to the toilet before I climbed this, wherever she's taking us, the mountain. She ended up just charging me 5 bahts as well. I'll go, just take it. I need the bathroom. Right, here we are. I could have just went in the bushes and saved 5 bahts. But at least I wash my hands off. Oh, look at the rubbish here, man.
Yeah, like
Oh, just look at the flies on it.
location from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. Yeah. Most
Yes.
of people don't like Chiang Mai.
Heard a chicken over there. Oh, he's got chickens over there.
They thought it's similar Bangkok.
Right, so that's the place we're going.
Yeah, how to live
The
in a
waterfall.
hostel. Really, some people. I never lived
Thumbnail
in
it.
Yeah, no.
I come prepared today. Extra memory
I'm in Chiang Mai.
Extra
I stayed in a
battery.
hotel 1 week and a half.
and a water bottle.
And I just decided like I want to change something in my life, you know. And then I tried to
These
stay
guys
in
must be
hostel.
making money here.
The cheapest hostel.
Sawadee. I need a trip down that.
Very upgrade.
Need to bust my lip.
Yeah, I don't like to share bathroom.
Right.
They have to change that mindset a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now like
At least you
yeah, and now it's
Crabs.
yeah,
Yeah.
all around the world now.
Wasn't crabs like that before. Sawadee. Right, I'm just saying hello to the locals. Right, let's see what it says here. No alcohol allowed. Please pack out all trash. Ensure you enter by this point by 5 p.m. No plastic and no foam. Right.
Yeah.
This is Sawadee. I think this is the entrance point. Hello. Oh, look at that, man. That's sick. Yo, is people actually bathing here?
Hi, my followers.
Your followers. I mean, JP's followers.
Here, next to Chiang Mai, 5 minutes. We sit on tuk-tuk and we found a waterfall, really nice waterfall, and you can hiking many places. Yeah. And JP been talking to himself all the time. I'm gonna show you the good spot.
They go to the mud.
Really nice spot is there.
Yeah.
You're just walking.
Yeah, it's like a
I think this is the waterfall that you can swim next to Chiang Mai, like not far. You can enjoy here, you can bring snack but not throw. Look, we're gonna climb up, we're gonna walk up there and prepare yourself too. When you walk up, you should not wear any shoe, nothing. Just walk up, hiking, waterfall, friendship. I'm already exhausted. Look, I will show you. I don't know where we should walk anymore. Oh fuck, there.
Oh,
Show them.
right.
I think there.
right up that ridge.
Yeah,
How do we get there though?
swim.
She said swim. I don't mind swimming. Huh?
You gotta build a raft.
Yeah, oh, we can walk across the road. My God, I do stupid on the
Cross
ground.
the road.
Careful that moss.
Nah, don't fall. You wanna go?
Fuck it.
I have to take my shoes off.
Hello.
How about we jump it?
That's a big jump, like.
We're big lads. Yo, that's a good view there.
That's a long jump right there.
Can't we just jump up here?
No, it's not straight to there.
Can't we make that there? Literally.
Oh, yeah. You go first, I'll watch.
Oh, so if I fall. How? It ain't that bad. Right, she goes, either you hold the camera or you know. So, I mean, I forgot my harness at home as well. I just end up jumping all of that. We're in the Gore-Tex. Him too. Gotta have your Gore-Tex here. Any hiking, where she left us?
God,
She's gone.
done a runner.
Oh, she ain't falling down there, is she? Oh, she's sitting over there. She put a jacket on. That's why I can't notice. Right, let's get up there. She just... Yes. That's not nice. Zendaya just keeps saying I'm gonna die. Right. People are taking the shoes off on here. I'll just show you. Mad vibes. I see what you mean now. It is actually getting slippier. Photo! Go on then. Madness.
Wow.
Yeah, it's raw getting slippy now. Hold on to the tree. Are your shoes getting slippy yet?
The Gore-Tex sled?
Yeah.
Nah, they're a little bit.
Mine are getting slippy now. Yeah, it's probably best to walk barefoot here. Or stay on this and show you the view from up there. Probably worth it to bring a helmet. I'll smack my head off this. This will be okay. That's it there. He's gonna come down now, so. Right, I'm getting close enough. Well, I ain't gonna climb all that up there. Got a couple down here. I'm that's high enough now. Let me get a thumbnail. My hair looking. Hair's looking like a mess after that tuk-tuk ride. I don't know if you can hear me. AJ's behind me.
You hear that?
There's Zendaya. She's just smiling at everything. Right. Well, I don't know what he's doing. He's like Tarzan, I think. There's the views. She's finally decided to come now.
There's that Tinder shot right there.
Why was you waiting down there?
Yeah, smile sign. Oh, here we go.
A Zendaya dance. Right, we're gonna chill. We're gonna have a picnic here. Try and get up there. So she's telling me there's a way up there now. She said I have to go first. That's not nice for a tall person. She's supposed to be the tour guide. So this way she goes. Literally. You can see like they made stuff here. They're literally following where I'm putting my steps, and then they're getting up. Right. Yo, this is loose. Watch out.
I have no idea.
I literally pulled on a tree trunk, and it wasn't even connected into anything.
Wow, it's so high.
It's alright. She said it's high. It's been 2 seconds. Right, there's 2 ways, left or right. The good side or the bad side. Heaven or hell, which one? She's out of breath. So am I. The dark side or the light side?
I need a dealer.
That means the dark side. This is right. Right, made it up. Well, I still got way more to go yet. Made it up that far. Right, so my shoes, some rubbish. What's up there? What is this? Oh nah, that's mad. You're just telling me that bridge.
Maybe go take Choco Shake first.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm just like,
Just like, yeah, be careful though.
don't die.
That's bad. Right. I survived.
But it's worth it though.
Yeah, yeah. He goes, it's worth it for the views. Where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark. Oh, I'm from England.
England. Nice to meet you. My name is Colin.
JP. Oh,
Oh, this is sick.
that's bad. Get a thumbnail. I need a better thumbnail than this. The water looks too dirty to drink, so I ain't gonna drink it. But waterfall. Suppose I get it from over there. Thumbnail. What's up there? AJ's gone. He's just left us. Right, gotta keep going.
You can go.
All right then, she's gonna stay. Right, getting down here is gonna be tricky. That's the only problem. Getting up is easy. Getting it down is hard. As you gotta do squat walks. There's AJ. Who needs leg days when you got this? Mountain climbing. Have I? Oh, you mazar. You're not going higher?
Okay, go on. Oh, yeah.
You can do. Let's get onto there.
Which side she's done?
She said she's gonna sit down at the bottom. I think she's tired already. Right. Remember guys, we gotta be out of here at 5 PM. Otherwise, they'll send that army lad out with the knife and a gun. I don't know what he's gonna do with it. Oh, that's sick, that is. I can see a rope, so they must be jumping in there. Right, what's over there? That guy's from Denmark. The one that's walking barefoot.
From Denmark?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, what's happened here, man? That doesn't look nice. Someone's died there or
One of the
something.
monks fell down the hill, man.
Monk.
I see some
Oh, these.
different
Oh,
clothing there.
oh yeah, I can see that. What's that? You got stung?
Saw something, Joel.
Gotta be careful here, innit? Snakes on that.
Might I see a huntsman here?
Yeah. Someone's been drinking off here. Yeah. That's what he was on about when he was a monks. Could be their clothing. Right. Oh, that way, isn't it? Well, what way is that showing? Oh, that's a better waterfall there. Right. Looks like a dead end. Yeah. Have you go down there? You see another waterfall over there. Which was way better. When I was up there, I literally just came down because it was looked like a path. Which was a path. Right. Got a dam here. End up dropping my water bottle. I don't want to be dropping my passport. So there's the dam. I'm going to try and get up there. Is there a way that way? That looks pretty. Oh, that looks man-made. There's some pipes in there. There's a wheel as well for turning. To open the pipes maybe. But Aaron's gone that way.
Watch out, buddy.
Oh, the glass.
Bit of skinny dipping over here, man.
Oh, they're metal. That's metal bars there. So someone's put glass on it. Look at it. Guys, if you're in Chiang Mai, going up this mountain on the waterfall. Right, there's some nude people over there, so I'm not recording that. Right. I don't know where's AJ's gone, he just left me. So I think the way they went in is that way. Them people, the nude people. Right. This is pretty much the same. Nothing up this way. Hello.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah,
You are?
yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Okay.
She said, are you a YouTuber?
Ah,
Don't worry, I won't record you.
are you really? You are?
Yeah.
How many?
Not a lot. I'm only just started, like 60.
Who's president?
Yeah, I've only just started.
Okay.
Right, she's just shocked that I'm a YouTuber. I don't know why is it amazing. Probably because the way I act, it feels more like I'm a professional.
Yeah, we walk slowly.
Nah, I want to hurry up, get this day over with. She's telling me to go slowly. So I'll get a thumbnail for you, but I'm on 3% now. I don't know what to use as a thumbnail, I'm going to use all of them. He's washing his face in it.
True local way back.
He's from Australia. All the nature. Running up the mountain. Make sure I don't slip. Gore-Tex shoes. That's what you need. No jumping. So, you must be deep enough for jumps. 2% now before I change a battery. I'll try and get up here. Right, as you can see, that's glass. So careful where you put in your hands here. Right, 1% now. Let's get down here. Yeah, I changed my battery. That's hot, that is, burning hot. I put it in my bag. Those are zip up. Right, I don't know if there's any more going up here, but that's about it. She was really amazed that I was a YouTuber. Right. I don't know how them guys got up there, but it's a long way down. I tried to balance on this. The woman's just sleeping there, enjoying nature. But how did they get up there? That's what I'm trying to figure out. They must have walked across here, that way. Might dip my feet in for a bit before I go. Wash my hands and that. It looks really dirty though. Right. Yeah, alright, give me guys. I was washing my feet. I'll wash my hands in a sec and put my camera away. I could actually make it over there. Now I took my shoes off. But it is quite slippy. Water coming from there, there. Loads of direction this water's coming from. Nasty though, I'm not drinking out of that. At least a naked man's putting some fucking clothes on or something. Right. Yeah, with Aaron, and we're deciding should we go across that. He just made it in there and it literally went down 3 feet. You wouldn't even think it. Like his whole leg is wet, so I'm still deciding to walk across it. But I think his bird's gonna actually do it now. Oh, he was thinking about calling it a day, but yeah. But we were just sitting there for the last 10-20 minutes, and they just thought, you know what? He just led the way. So
That's me going in.
you're gonna go.
Show us how it's done.
Yeah. Oh, he's saying to take his shoes off. You might have to. So you gotta take the shoes off and go across. Making their way through. Damn. That's where the other guy lost his footing and went down like 3 feet. Yeah. As long as she stays on the rocks, then it's okay. It's just that little 2-foot gap. Yeah, she's made it. They're going up now.
Made it look easy.
Yeah. Come on, Aaron, go.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
Yeah, it looks easy.
Because they have the heart and then like catching out me.
Yeah.
And you have to put all your feet in the water.
Yeah, I might take my shoes off.
She goes that she might need some help just to cross over there. And he goes, yeah, we don't mind. Oh, he's taking his shoes off.
Yeah?
You gotta follow the experts.
I don't think you need to take your shoes off.
Listen. This is their first time too.
Yeah.
They followed you.
Everyone's a
I
beginner.
followed them. Yeah.
Oh, I'll try and make it. I'll just go for it. Let's see if I need 2 hands for this.
Get them shoes wet. Are they waterproof?
Yeah. He's asking me if they're waterproof. But I don't know if they're slip proof. Right, I need to get across here. I need to put the camera down. I've just made it there. I end up using both of my hands. But I'm just trying to look for a rope or something so I can give them. I'll probably just give them this. And just like or give them a hand, probably hold on to this tree and see how it works. They've gone up there now, so let me put this away.
Right in the waterfall then.
He just chucked his shoes. Just be careful on this bit.
Okay.
That bit's slippy there.
Where's the deep end there?
That's there. Yeah. Hold on the rock. Hold on that now.
Fireman lad.
He's made it. She's gonna make it. So she's made it. I had to help her a bit. She nearly lost her footing up there. Aaron was saying that it could smell some weed up there. I'll go, it's a nice place to burn weed. But we not do that anymore. Oh, there's glass right here. Damn, that weed's strong though. Ah. Right. Whoa. I think because my shoes, they're still wet. That's why I'm slipping. Hello.
Hello.
You alright? Hiya.
Hi.
But I think them guys just been up there. She's just wearing Crocs. More tourists. Oh, he's gone up there. I think he's burning weed. At least my shoes were dry here. Yo, Aaron.
Ew.
Coming down's gonna be hard.
No, I was thinking about that before.
No one likes to come down.
We're not coming down.
We're camping up here like.
Right. Was it a run for it? But that's what happens when you rush. You might fall over. I might bust my lip. Oh, she's saying it's one kind of an adventure.
I didn't notice this one up here.
Not that bad.
I see some steins up there. Oh, let's look at that up there. It's like a hut up there.
Yeah, there is a path that goes that way. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. I'm just worried. She might slip. She keeps falling back.
That way.
Oh, so what's the sign
Exit
say?
at the top.
So there's an exit up there,
No, there's
and it says
Yeah, this way.
Pino. What?
I think, I don't know, like, wait a minute.
Pino Cliff.
I think this
That must obviously go all the way down to the bottom.
yeah, makes sense.
So what are we saying then? Going up or down or?
I think going,
Yeah, let's figure it out. Guys, oh, we're just gonna follow the Pink. Pink's gone that way. Pink skirt. Aaron forgot her name. I forgot her name, so I'm just gonna call her Pink. What? Say that again.
Sort of like climbed all the way up from the valley, like on the bottom of the waterfall.
Right, just speaking to some more climbers and just figuring out what's. Oh, there's more stuff down there.
Yeah, it's like all waterfalls all the way down. Yeah, right. Yeah. Might be tricky going down, or tricky coming up. So
But is it this view essentially?
pretty much. Yeah. Like this, the same.
Yeah, we didn't start.
Right. I don't know what they're discussing.
Yeah.
Probably discussing which. What are we talking about? Exit.
Yeah, there's like a road this way.
Oh.
no.
Pink said no.
I guess that's like a lookout up there, is it? Yeah, not really. There's trees and that. Yeah.
How long did it take to get that right down to the bottom?
What do you reckon? Oh, it's 15 minutes.
Guess we're just following the new crew. Yeah, apparently there is an exit that way. But Zendaya's down at the bottom. She gonna think where we gone. She probably could start getting worried and call the rescue. where the new guys gone? But we got her on WhatsApp. We'll just let her know. Oh, there's a little bridge. That goes somewhere else. Right guys, do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button. It's a little jump here. Right, made that little jump. Right. I don't know what's down here. There. From my size. Right, so that's where it's coming from. Steady here. Just a bit over there. Whoa. Man's just chilling on his phone. Probably FaceTiming someone. Right, I'll probably try and go up there. Be a better view. Like literally you can see the city from here. I don't know if you can tell. Keep it focused. Yeah, right down the middle. The whole city. That'd be a good thumbnail. Right, Aaron's gone. She just left me. Right, get on the steps. I'm chilling. That looks like zip lining up there. What it is down there. See the whole city. Now that's a good view. That's a good view. Now I'll tell you something. That was worth the view, wasn't it? Thumbnail this. A thumbnail.
Man.
I mean, if you want, you're in the video though, but yo, I want a bare thumbnail for this. I wonder how long's the video? Look at that, all the way. That's so high. Can you spot your hotel yet? Now we just got to figure out how to get down or find another exit. There's a map over there. There's a map. I mean, that hasn't stood the hands of time. This you all rubbed out now. Right guys, so we fell over then. We're trying to get out of this place. We've met up, so we'd follow YouTubers called Darren Olson. I've subscribed to him now, so if you want to check, go through my channel and see who I'm subscribed to. Right, something, whatever that says. Whoa. Just waiting on him. Joy's over there. What's down there? Is anything down there? Okay. I think that's one of the ways out. Yes, he's good now. So yeah. We don't want to be going down the way we came up, because it's quite tricky. Like, you get your footing wrong, you could fall over. At least going up is easier. Just imagine going down, how tricky that's going to be. First is up. Right, let's go. It still looks man-made here. And it is starting to get a bit chilly now. I can see why Zendaya said bring your jacket. And why she's been trying to call us as well. She said, where are you guys? She thinks she's getting worried that we've fallen over or something. But we'll catch up to her now. Just waiting on him. How do you keep going missing? You do. Right. I try to figure it out because there's so many steps here. There's some protected over there. Right. Oh. Joy said that one of the other climbers told her that they're going this way, and we haven't seen them since, so we reckon they have gone down this way. You can see more of the city.
Wow.
Yeah, she says wow.
Look.
What if they've changed there for like the landmines and that?
Something. What was Darren saying? He's gonna climb here, or he just come to have a look? Just the view?
Yeah, I think he wanted to climb down the waterfalls.
Yeah, that's not with them shoes. They were dangerous.
Yeah, what did he say? He said he'd been all over the world with those shoes. Like,
Yeah, he probably has. Go check him out, guys. Darren Olsen's his name on YouTube. Right, he does flying as well. Right. Damn, this is tricky, man. There's many steps. All views there.
like very,
Okay, so but that's the right instead
The whole city. I won't say the whole city, most of the city. That's a big jump. Right, is that the temple that we came from?
You're right, that's the temple. It must be.
was that where we were?
Remember that when we come, there is a
Yeah.
temple?
So we just keep going down. Just having a look. It's a weird path. Did we go up? We go up that way.
Look. There is that.
Oh, yeah.
Where does this come from? Is this the same, the waterfall we saw?
Yeah, it should be
It's
like,
the
I
same
think
one?
so, where we went up. And I told you on the opposite side. That
Huh?
this is on the opposite.
Oh,
So we were
opposite
going over
side.
there, yeah.
Oh. Wow. Wow, nice. Careful.
Right, let's go then. Sat down, take that view.
so I've been waiting all the time. Must be like 2 hours.
What's that?
Oh, so I think we've been sitting there for like 2 hours.
Has it been that long? I remember when we seen the time it was 4 over there before we decided to cross that little,
On a little bridge.
that little bridge, yeah.
Oh, that
When
four,
that guy's foot went 3 feet missing. That was mad. I should have recorded that one. Right, where are we? Right, I see some kind of path over there.
This is all
think
that
that's
ancient waterfall here too.
Joy's going that way. Whoa. Stepped on a rock then. Yeah, I can see the path. So tricky. If you go around that way,
Which way?
that way, it's much easier.
No, very good.
Hold the tree.
Yeah, okay.
Damn, this is.
Okay, got it.
See what I mean?
Yeah, got it.
Because of the little stones, it makes it more slippy. See, there's that little sand and stones. I got some in my shoe as well. Take it down this. Here we are. Here's a man-made path.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this old shoe, but you know, that's why.
We've had it for a long time.
Yeah, I really like it.
I see some fencing over there. Close to civilization now.
They're like a settled
Guys, we made it. Look at these steps, man. So many little stones are loose. Anyway, we made it down. I can see the waterfall there. So just take a look at that. So where we was a pond up there. Right, where's Z? Z's pissed because you left me down there. Look, I asked you to come. Oh, more banana trees. Oh, that's where we are. I can see that. Yeah, I think that's the way we came and entered the place where I was showing you the times. It looks like it. I hope it is. When the arm. Whoa! You see that? I nearly slipped. Bust my lip. That's the entrance that we came in, isn't it?
Sorry there. Yeah, did we come?
There
yeah, we
she
did
is.
a walk up there.
She's a friendly chap. Friendly guy.
That's the fella on the bridge there across the lake.
Yeah, she's angry. Oh, she's swearing now. She's swearing.
Nah,
I can't record that
was
for
no
YouTube. Where's Pink? Oh, Pink's just chilling after that long walk. Nice little place for a little picnic here. Guys chilling. Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. Right, guys, we just finished from climbing that waterfall. You had to be out of there by 5 p.m. So we're just gonna head back to the hotel.
By walking.
Well, she said walking. Apparently, the traffic, we want to beat it. So I don't know what these guys' plans are. So piggyback, yeah? You ready? So obviously, oh look, Chiang Mai Zoo as well.
Oh, the zoo.
Thai people pay 50 baht. Foreigner have to pay 1,800 baht.
Don't lie.
Really?
Yeah.
What about
That's mad, guys. Did you just hear what she said? She laughs at everything. Zendaya. She said I should go on TV and be an actor. Tell him.
Yes.
Catch your breath first.
JP have to go on for a movie, like big movie, because he have really strong character.
You hear that? I've got a strong character. Anyway, I need to have.
Stone Cold, like the bloody wrestler. Stone Cold.
Oh, okay. Where's this zoo then?
Ah, there it is. Big gates.
Oh, there's a zoo. Oh Lord. I might have to buy another SD card after this. I've got so many videos to edit yet. I still got Bangkok's videos. What's that? Undercover please. Tourist spots. So what about them? Right, so there's a zoo here. We ain't going in because I ain't paying 1,000 baht for this. Unless Zendaya can get me in with her charming
It
looks.
was in cheap.
What's going on here? We've got chicken feet. Maybe for another day, content. Guys, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to go to this zoo here, whatever it is. And then if I get enough views and enough likes, then I'll probably go. Right, see you guys back at the hostel, I guess, or somewhere we're gonna get some food. We have a long walk, like hours a long walk, so we might just get a grab or a Bolt or an Uber or whatever works here. To the hotel now, so I'm just gonna freshen up and then probably go out for some food. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe and comment down below if you've got any questions. I'm going to get change and stuff. So yeah, so I went back to the hotel, got change, edit some videos. I'm with Zendaya here. We're just ordering some food. And I'm just tired, man. I just want to eat and go back to the room. Say hello.
Hi guys, we here for food, amazing food. He's so hungry. He want to eat everything, but he cannot eat anything. You know, I offer him many things, but he just so picky. Oh, have chicken, have chicken, have this. I offer him many things.
She's telling me to eat these weird fishy things. I'm not gonna eat no weird like. Oh, they're moving as well. Like.
I ordered him some chicken curry. And he said, oh, I eat chicken all my life. Chicken curry all my
Yeah, I
life.
mean, I'm brown as you guys doesn't want to eat the same thing over again.
My God.
I want to try that squid though. Squid looks amazing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat and that's it. Go to sleep. So, just subscribe. Okay, good night. Just look at her, man. She's a rich woman, man. She got so much money, man. She pays for everything.
And
and she
look.
finds it funny.
And he say I'm rude because I'm laughing.
I said a man should pay for it, but she goes, oh,
You want to pay?
I don't mind. I don't mind. All right, let me see what they have.
You don't want to pay.
Right, there's too many options. So I gotta read what they are.
What do you want?
Let me have a look.